First we're gonna start, we already cleaned this chicken with the cold water. I remove any excess skin from this area and from the neck. We remove the bottom as well, we don't need it. So now we're gonna start cutting the chicken to 9 pieces. So now we cut the pieces. The cut pieces we're gonna keep in the solution water. This water contains white vinegar and salt, and keep it on. As you see, we can feel the joint here, so you don't need any energy to cut. Just like that. Again, you can feel the joint here. Then simply cut. The most important thing in the Kentucky Fried Chicken is to keep the skin covering the meat. That's the most important one to remember, because without the skin you have no KFC. Now we're gonna cut the wings. As you see, it's gonna go this way. And the wing, we keep it one whole piece. Second one. As you see, we always cut from the joint. See, clean joint. That's how supposed to be cut. You don't need any cause any force or anything by cutting. Just remember where the joint. Check it out if you don't know where it is by touching. Then you can cut clean pieces. Now we have the thread part. Make sure you put some force on it, so and cut it clean, because as we said, we need the skin. Now this is the biggest part in the chicken. Make sure you don't waste the skin, so it will come out this way with you. Clean, cut, as it should be. Both sides, just clean, cut. Now we're gonna keep the chicken in this solution at least for 1 hour. So that's gonna get rid of any bacteria in the chicken even before cook, and it's gonna make it more easier to be cooked later on. That's why we have using the vinegar. And you can see the water start to change color. That's because of the salt and the vinegar inside. That's gonna help us to give a nice texture to the chicken later once it's cooked. Now is the time to make the seasoning, the coating, sorry. So the coating, first thing we put is the ingredients I'm gonna give by grams, and they're gonna be for 1 kg of self-rising flour. So remember that is a 1 kg only. So if you're gonna do more, then you can add more based on the ingredients, but not all of them you can increase. Now we have exactly 1 kg of flour. The next is we're gonna measure the spices that we're gonna add. Start first with the garlic powder. Which is gonna be 15 gram. That's 16 is fine. Then we have mustard powder, which is gonna be only, I'm supposed to put 5 grams only. Next we got onion powder. That's gonna be 7 grams. And we got our best friend, black pepper, which is gonna be 20 grams. $21 now, it's fine. For me, I like the black pepper taste, so it's fine. Then we got 2 types of chicken seasoning. That's the first type I'm going to use. So I'm gonna add 10 grams of it, or another 20 grams. Then we got another chicken stock powder, another 20 grams of it. Last but not least is oregano. It's just that big on it, just 1 teaspoon. Now we're gonna mix all this together. Those cloves we can finish all this with later, but first we need to check is how salty is this mix, because we need to add another more salt to it, because the chicken stock and the seasoning, they contain MSG and salt, but it's not enough salty for the 1 kg of flour, and as you know, chicken needs more salt. Like. Later we're gonna finish those cross with the Swift, but now we need to check the saltiness. So it still needs 10 to 15 grams of salt, but believe me, this mix tastes amazing already. That's 20 grams of salt. Once we're done with that, now we're gonna mix it with our flour. Now we put together with the flour and we mix it. Then we need to test how the flour the salt level in the flour. If it needs more, then we're gonna add more. As you see, it's just here. You don't see any of the spices. You cannot see it. Our oil is ready. We press a bit on it. Make sure the brown coating goes everywhere. Now we can put them in the deep frying. Once it reaches this color, then you can take it out to rest. As you see the color, at the same time. Tasty idea. See, there is no skin left.